Hi fellows, one more day, one more LeetCode task. I didn't upload it yesterday's LeetCode task because it was really hard and it took me like 5 hours to solve it because there were some tricky algorithms that I've never heard about, like min heap or finding the uh, the closest path between two vertices. So, but let's look what do we have today. Medium task, count days without meetings. Okay, sounds interesting. Count days without meetings. You are given a positive integer days, representing the total number of days an employee is available for work, starting from day 1. Okay, you are also given 2D array meetings of size n, where meeting I is start I and I, represents the start and ending days of meeting I, inclusive. Okay. Return the count of days when the employee is available for work, but no meetings are scheduled. Count of days when the employee is available for work, but no meetings are scheduled. No meetings. Return the count of days when employee is available for work, but no meetings are scheduled. The meetings may overlap, of course. Okay, days 10, 5, 7, 1, 3, 8, 10. So we have only 2 days, 4 and 8. Days 5, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, got it. Days 6. Okay, days may be really big. Got it. Meetings may be really big. Got it. Always 2 days. And yeah, meeting can start and end in the same day, but cannot reverse. Great. What I think I need to do is to make algorithm that would be working with ranges. Would separate two ranges and look for I think we need to find all the intersection of ranges and construct the final 3, I would say. After that, so find final ranges. After that, what we can do is loop through the ranges and find their length, calculate ranges length, and result would be ranges length or days minus ranges length. I think it should work. We should merge ranges somehow. How to do it efficiently, despite the fact that we have a lot of ranges. Well, I think that we need a min heap algorithm again. The easiest thing would be to sort the ranges. Let's start with that. After that, if complexity would be, if we will exceed the time, I will change this algorithm. So meetings sort A, B, let's say A, B, A minus B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sort A, B. Yep, A minus B is ascending order. This is what we actually need. Const result ranges would be an empty array, and for const start end of meetings would be what? We know that we cannot meet previous range, so we will just get last one. Let's say that we will always have last one. Result ranges would be meetings 0. I equals to 1, I less than meetings length, I plus start end would be equal to meetings I. Let's say it's current const previous horizontal ranges at -1, and now we need to calculate if previous one is less than current 0, then we will just push it. Result ranges would be we will push it to the result ranges. If start is not equal to the end, so we know that current start is always bigger than previous start or equal, because we sorted it, which means that if it is not staying after previous range, then they're intersecting. Then result ranges or previous 0 would be equal to current 0? No. Previous 0 will not be changed. Previous 1 would be equal to math max between previous 1 and current 1, which is current end. Okay, that are two cases that we have. I think this should work. I will check errors a little bit later. What else? What else? We did this. Now calculate ranges length. Well, I can make it with one more previous one less than current. If we have end 5 and start 6, then we can merge it. If previous one less than current 1 minus 1 current start, so 5 6, if 5 less than 6 minus 1 5. Okay, yes, should work. After that, we should summarize them. We can simplify it later. Ranges length would be equal to 0. And for const start and of result ranges length would be incremented by end minus start plus 1 maybe. For example, we have start 0 and 3. The length would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. So plus 1. And we should return n, which is days minus ranges length or ranges, let's name it total ranges length minus total ranges length. For example, if days is 5, we have, oh, this is one interesting thing that we're calculating from day 1. So if days is 5 and we have a range from 1 to 3, which means that we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days 5, total ranges length would be 4, 1, from 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3. No? Okay, it should work. 5 minus 3 would be 2. Okay. I will not like take examples and try to evaluate in my head or with comments. I will just try to find mistakes by myself. using an algorithm. Okay, meetings sort A, B, A minus B should work. Result ranges is an array. Meetings I, meetings length. Previous would be ranges at -1. Current would be meetings I, which is okay. If previous end would be less than current start -1, then we will push new range. In other case, we will increment previous end to the maximum of previous end and current end, because meeting can be shorter. After, we'll calculating total ranges length using result ranges, and we summarizing everything. Looks like it should work. Let's check. Yes, accepted. Let's try to submit. Accepted. And we have a really good efficiency. I know that sorting is pretty optimal for calculating ranges, because we need to sort it anyway. And even if we will use something like min heap algorithm, it will not optimize it drastically. Maybe it will not optimize it at all. Whoa, what is that? What is that? I don't know. Let's look at the most efficient algorithm. Yes, it is using sort. Yeah. Optimization is that they are not storing. Well, I didn't think about it, despite the fact that this is pretty obvious. We should not store all the ranges. We can just use total ranges length and last range. Total ranges length is 0, and let last range would be meetings 0. Then what we have, previous, let's say, would be meeting 0. Current would be meetings I. If previous, then we don't have result ranges. We should push total ranges length plus previous 0, previous 1 minus previous 0 plus 1, and previous would be equal to current. In other case, previous would be modified, which is okay. And after that, after the very last iteration, we need to finalize it. Like this. Yep. Great. Time is the same, but we saved a lot of memory. So time would be big O of n log n. This is sorting plus, which n is meetings length, plus this one, this array is big O of meetings length plus big O of 1, and memory would be, space complexity would be big O of, we already have meetings, we already have everything, so it would be just big O of 1. Great. Let's look at other solutions. JavaScript. Yep. Sorting. Merged meetings. Optimize space 201. Yes. Yes. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much.